Welcome to iBuild Marbella. Experts in terracotta and ceramic flooring. Terracotta flooring is a type of flooring that is made from clay. It can be installed on interior and exterior floors, and it is specially suited for areas that are prone to water damage. Terracotta floorings are often glazed for more protection, but unglazed terracotta tiles can be used in places where the underlayment below isn't too porous. Terracotta flooring can be installed any place in the house. It is mostly used in kitchens, bathrooms, and in the entryway due to its ability to resist water. Ceramic tiles are very resistant to moisture, which makes this material perfect for bathrooms and kitchens. Ceramic tiles are not porous, so they do not soak up liquid spills or stains like other types of flooring materials. This type of tiled floors have been around for centuries and have been used in many different architectural styles including Mediterranean, Asian, Italianate, Art Deco and more. There are various types available on the market today like glazed ceramic tiles, which come in white or ivory colors, and glazed ceramic tiles, which come mainly in earthy tones such as browns, reds, blues, greens, blacks and granite tile, giving the stone appearance with variation in coloration due to natural mineral deposits found within the stone itself. If you are looking for a professional company that specializes in terracotta and ceramic flooring, call iBuild Marbella today.